Nagpur police arrested around 65 rioters and imposition of curfew in areas under 11 police stations a day after violent clashes took place in the city's old quarters. Nagpur City Police have imposed curfew in several areas in central Nagpur to prevent further unrest. The curfew order issued by Commissioner of Police Ravinder Kumar Singhal under Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita will remain in effect till it is called off. Authorities are also reviewing CCTV footage and social media posts to identify any additional suspects involved in the unrest, which followed rumors that a holy book was in fact being burned during a protest by a right-wing group demanding the removal of Aurangzeb's tomb. Meanwhile, an FIR has been registered at Ganeshpet police station over Nagpur violence that reveals that during the incident, an accused inappropriately touched the uniform and body of an on-duty woman police officer of the RCP squad. The accused also made obscene gestures and misbehaved with some women police personnel. However, Fadnavis and other political leaders have been blaming a recent movie release for this chaos. So that's the latest in the communal clash that broke out in Nagpur day before yesterday. The Nagpur police in that matter has now arrested around 65 rioters and imposition of curfew in areas under 11 police stations a day after the violent clashes took place in the city's old quarters. City police has also imposed curfew in several areas in central Nagpur to prevent any further unrest in the area. The curfew order, in fact, has been issued by CP Ravinder Kumar Singhal under BNSS, and it will in fact remain in effect till it is called off. We've got a ground report also coming in with regards to the same. Let's take a look at that as well.
The situation in Nagpur remains tensed along with the peace that has been restored by the police personnel which has been deployed in all the areas where violence erupted on the evening of Monday. Curfew is still in place in 11 police station areas of Nagpur, including the Hansapuri and Mahal area, which are the main areas where violence erupted on the evening of Monday. And police is still investigating into the matter. More than 50 people have been arrested or detained, and more than 5 FIRs has been lodged against hundreds of people which have been named in the FIR. So these are the details which are coming, and curfew is still in place, and police is yet to decide over giving relief in the curfew measures that are already in place. So these are the updates. More than 50 social media accounts are also being investigated, which are under scanner in the issue, as it is being said that first a rumor was spread about burning some religious content along with the effigy of Aurangzeb. So these are the updates from Nagpur here, and more than 1,000 police personnel are deployed and more than 5,000 police personnel are on standby to tackle any kind of situation if arises in future. So here are the updates these are the updates from Nagpur. We were just talking to a senior police officer who said that the mob which was involved in the violence on the evening of Monday. So it was more than 1,000 people in the two main areas which are violence affected. These are Hansapuri and Mahal area where there are mixed population. So these are the updates from Nagpur. As yet, situation still remains tensed.